You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you take anything?
Hey guys, hola chicos, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been to my channel, welcome. My name is Bianca. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. Click it. And today I did a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I came up with this look. I used the new Nude Huda Beauty palette. She has some amazing colors in here. I really wanted to use it because I haven't yet since I got it. And I thought it'd probably be perfect for Valentine's Day. It has all those like Valentine's Day colors. So I wanted to really use that today. I just added some glitters that obviously aren't from that palette. But yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So for the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the New News by Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to use the shades Secret and Teddy, and I'm just going to use that with the Moda Pro crease brush. It's BMX 430, and I'm just putting that in the outer corner and into my crease, just blending it back and forth until I have the desired color that I want. And I'm going to go in with the Luxie 121 brush. It's the mini tapered brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Love Bite. And I'm just going to go in the same areas that I was already, just to intensify them a little bit more and to be a little bit more precise as well. Just because it is a smaller brush, I can actually be more into detail than I was with the other brush. And I'm also bringing that right into my lower lash line. So I'm going to grab the Morphe M431 brush, and I'm going to grab any black eyeshadow, and I'm going to pretty much start doing like a rough draft on my wing liner. I really like doing this whenever I don't want to take as long on my eyeliner, because it pretty much helps me like create the line for me, so I just really need to go over it with liquid liner. And I'm grabbing any concealer that you guys have is fine. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm grabbing a concealer brush and just cutting out my crease.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you take any deeper now?
And I'm going to go back in with that same eyeshadow palette and use the shade Crave, and I'm going to use that color right all over my lid with the same brush that I was using to carve out my crease. And for liquid liner, I'm going to use by Tarte this dual-ended one. It's a liquid side and a pencil, and I'm going to use the liquid side. And I'm just going to use that to create my wing. And for my cut crease, I'm going to use by Tarte again. It's the Tarteist Pro Glitter Liner, and it's in rose gold. I'm using the least chunkier side, and I'm just creating a crease with that, and I'm also putting that right over the end of my wing just to add more intensity to the look. And if this wasn't enough for you, yes, we're adding glitter. So I'm going to use some lash glue and just put that all over my lid. And I'm using the glitter by Nicole Diary. It's 06, the glitter. And I'm just patting that all over my lid where I put the glue on. and that helps to actually stay for a lot longer than just like glitter glue. But you can totally use glitter glue, it just won't last as long. And for my inner corner, I'm using the Subculture palette, and I'm using the shade Cube, and it's a very light, like pinky shade. In the pan it looks white, but when you put it on your eyes, it looks more pink. And I'm also using by Pure the shade Dreamer, and I'm putting that right in the corner of like my inner corner, just to add a little more pop to it. And then I'm going to grab a nude pencil and put that right in my waterline. This one is by Maybelline. And I'm just going to put mascara and lashes on, and I'll be right back.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.
So for the heart freckles, I'm going to use the shade Secret and Teddy again, and I'm just going to use that with a fluffy brush and put that all over my cheeks, my nose, the sides of my temples. I kind of want it to look more like a sun-kissed or like burnt effect on my face, because freckles are more when the sun comes out, so I just want to intensify that, and so the hearts will actually stand out as well. So I'm gonna go in with Fairly Precious Extreme Dimension blush, and I'm putting that all in my high points of my face, so it's the cheekbones, my nose, the sides of my temples, and I'm just adding that as a highlight. And to intensify that, I'm gonna go with Show Gold, and I'm doing the same exact thing. This one's just a lot more intense, so I put that right on top. And I'm also putting that right on my Cupid's bow and right down the bridge of my nose. And to start doing my freckled hearts, I'm going to go back in with the shade Love Bite and with that same Luxie brush, and I'm going to start doing like circular motion, like dots pretty much, kind of different sizes, and that's going to be the base of where I do my hearts, so the hearts will actually stand out. And you can do as few or as many as you want for this. This is totally your call. And to start creating the hearts, I'm going to use concealer and a super like detailed brush, and I'm just going to do like a V and just fill it in the middle, and that pretty much just creates your heart for you. It wasn't hard. I actually thought it was going to be a lot harder than it was. Maybe the only part is just kind of making sure it looks like a heart, but it was pretty easy to like fill it in and stuff. And I went back in to darken those little dots because I felt like it wasn't dark enough after I did the first heart. So from here you can just pick how big you want your hearts to be. I did some small ones, some medium ones, and some like bigger ones. I just based off of like what the shadowing was underneath. That's how I did my hearts, and I did more of like the bigger ones closer to like the center of my face, but I didn't want like too many, so I just added a whole bunch of different sizes, I guess. And this was the last heart that I showed you guys because it's pretty much doing the same thing over and over again. And at the end I just added some more glitter to like over my freckles here, over my freckled hearts, and then I added a few hearts right on my lips as well. You'll see here in a sec. Alright, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll put all my social media links down below so you can follow me on those. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, chicos.